In the name of Allah, the Beneficent, the Merciful.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. I am Abdul Wajid from Online Quran Academy, and you are watching our YouTube channel. Inshallah, in this second class we will learn joining letter, like when we connect two letters together, so how we can understand these letters shapes. Also you have to remember to one letter has a different shapes, how that letters become different. Let's start now. First you should repeat after me very carefully. Lesson. Alif, 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 lam, alif, lam. You can see here is a orange color in lam, and pink one is alif. Lam, alif, lam, alif. So lam, alif, when we connect together, so we can see lam shape is a different shape of lam. You can see lam, alif, lam, alif, and you can see a lam shape is a half shape of lam. This is a complete shape of lam, this one, and this is a half shape of lam. You can read after me now. Lam, alif, and the next one is also lam, alif, lam, alif. So here you can see again lam and alif, both two letters coming in different shapes. So these all shapes you can see. Lam, alif. You have to remember for understanding the letters in the Holy Quran. Lam, alif. So we say again lam, alif. Our next letter is ba, alif, ba, alif. As you can see, ba shape is the half shape of ba. Ba and alif is attached with it. Ba and then next alif. Ba, alif. Our next letter is lam, alif. Orange shape is lam and pink one is alif. Lam, alif, lam, alif. So we say again lam, alif, lam, alif, lam, alif, lam, 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 lam. This is the complete shape of lam, and these are half shapes of lam, like this: lam, lam, lam. These are the half shapes of lam, and this is the complete shape of lam. Lam. Please remember the shapes of different letters. Lam, lam, alif, lam, alif. Here is a lam alif in a different shape. You can see easily. Lam, alif. Next one. Lam, ha, lam, ha, lam, ha. Our next letter is also lam, ha. Here is a different shape of lam. This is the half shape of lam. You remember this shape? Lam, ha, lam, ha. Next one. Lam, alif, lam, alif, lam, alif. Next one. Ba, lam, ba, ba, lam, ba. And also remember, one dot comes under the shapes, that is ba letters. You can see here it is ba, and in the end one dot is come under the step. Ba. Now join together. Ba, lam, ba, ba, lam, ba. Our next letter is kaf, kaf, kaf. Here is kaf shape. Whenever you see this line, so that is kaf shape. Kaf, kaf. Next one is also kaf, kaf. This is also with the same sound, but this shape is different, still the same letters. Kaf, Please read this letter. Very light sound, not bold sound. Kaf. Next one. Kaf. Ba. Kaf. Ba. The black one is the half shape of kaf, and pink one is ba. Now join it. Kaf. Ba. Kaf. Ba. Next one is also kaf. Ba. These are same letters but a little different between kaf shape, kaf, and this one also kaf. Kaf. Ba. Kaf. Ba. Kaf. Alif. This is the different shape of kaf. Kaf. Alif. Kaf. Alif. And next one is also same. Kaf. Alif. Kaf. Alif. And next one ba. Kaf. Ta. Ba. Kaf. Ta. The first one is ba. Here is a ba in a half shape. Ba has one dot below the letter. Ba. Ba. Next one kaf. Here is a kaf in half shape. Kaf. This is the complete shape of kaf, and this is the half shape of kaf. 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 These are a different shape. Kaf. Ta. Ta. Here is a ta. Ta. Ta has two dots on top, and this is the complete shape of ta. Ta. Now join together. Ba. Kaf. Ta. Ba. Kaf. Ta. Ba. Kaf. Ta. Ba. Kaf. Ta. There are understanding of letters ba, kaf, ta. Next one ta, kaf, sa. Ta, kaf, sa. Ta, kaf, sa. Next one is ta, kaf, sa. This is a ta. This is the half shape of ta. Ta has one dot on top. Ta, kaf, this one, sa. Now join together. Ta, kaf, sa, ba, ba, ta, fa, noon, ya. That's easy. Ba, alif, ba, alif. We will learn before. Ba, alif, ba, alif. Before ba. This one also ba, alif. Next one noon, alif. This is a noon. And next one is alif. You cannot say za. This is noon. Noon, alif, noon, alif. You cannot say za. Why? Because you can see that noon is connected with alif, and zal and za cannot be connected, and other letters that you will see alone in the beginning. This is noon, not za. Za. This is wrong. Not za alif, but this is noon alif. Noon alif. Noon alif. Our today's lesson is completed. Now you please practice this lesson, and we will learn our next lesson soon, inshallah. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
ربي والإسلام ديني ومحمدا رسول الله ويقيني أدنو إليه